motherfucker. Yeah. What's up? It's the Joker and this bitch. Straight a Joker. Yeah, haha. This might be about you, bitch. This one might be about you. Social network house, social network house, social network house, social network house, Twitter, social network house, you already know. She got that Louis Fendi, she got that Gucci Prada, but her kids are starving, they don't even get nada. She thirsty, she thirsty, some water on she thirsty, some water on she thirsty, she takes a million pics in the same place. Bathroom with the same face, pokey lips, bitch. She thirsty, bitch. She thirsty, she thirsty, she thirsty. Social network house, social network house, social network house, social network house. She on that Instagram, she on that Twitter, but when she on that Facebook, I want to kill her. Week 1, niggas ain't shit. Week 2, relationship. Week 3 is complicated. Inboxes getting faded. Drake, I miss you. And I was wondering, do you still do comedy? I've been missing you so much, bro. Can you get back to me? Hell no. She thirsty, thirsty, she thirsty. You silly, she thirsty. That bitch is she thirsty. Social network house, social network house, social network house, social network house. Yeah, bitch, get out the. Stop inboxing me about some bullshit. Like my link, retweet that shit. Stop subtweeting bullshit. You damn heifer. The fuck is wrong with you? I got a motherfucking life, bitch. What's wrong with you? Huh? Shit.